If you are tired of the mess in your car from charging cables, this retractable car charger is your solution. I actually have one of these in my car, and I told my husband I'd get one for him. So this is awesome. I love these. They're so easy to use. You can see it's nice and small, and all you do is you just need to be able to plug this into your car somewhere. You can adjust it any direction. It's going to stay wherever you put it, which is going to be really nice. And then they come with all of the different options, so you can buy whatever is going to suit your needs. But this one is the Lightning and the USB-C. And then you also have these two other options here where you can stick a USB and another USB-C cord, so you can plug in four. So it's a 4-in-1 charger, which I love. Now, just to show you exactly how this works, when it's not in use, it's going to be nice and compact, which is really nice. But when you actually need to use it, all you do is you just pull whatever cord you need, and it will go this full length, which is nice, and you won't have extra cords anywhere. And then all you do is you just pull it a little bit to be able to retract it. Now, if you don't want the entire huge cord pulled out, all you do is you pull as much as you need, and then it will lock into place. So you're going to have that cord out, and then all you do is you just pull it a little bit, and it will retract right in, which is going to be so perfect to be able to clean with whatever you want to do with your cords. So love this. It's going to be such a perfect way to be able to plug in all of the devices without having all of those cords everywhere. If you're looking for a good one, this one is from Elobeth. It's pretty awesome. They sent me this, and this is definitely a must-have for all of your car charging needs.